Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Todd and this is Greenhorn Barbecue Beer. Hey, we have been busy the last few weeks. We just got back from a cruise to Alaska. It was fantastic. We went up there with some friends, did some traveling, went to a few Alaskan towns, Sitka, Skagway, and Juneau, and even went to Victoria, British Columbia on the way back. It was a lot of fun, great adventure. You know, I'll flash some pictures here, but if you want to see more pictures, go check out our Facebook page, Greenhorn Barbecue Beer Discussions. So guys, what am I up to right now? Well, I want to tell you about a fantastic organization called Operation Amped. We were asked by a friend of mine that is actually a member of this organization, a not-for-profit, veteran-based organization that uses surfing, teaching people to surf, etc., for wounded warriors, disabled veterans. It's a form of therapy, and it's just a great organization, guys. I'll leave a link down below in the description. But what we're going to be participating in is a surf contest on Camp Pendleton at, sorry guys, I'm trying to look out for landmines here. So we're going to Camp Pendleton next weekend, the weekend of the 23rd of September. It's their annual surf competition right there on St. Onofre Beach. It's going to be a great weekend. We were asked to sponsor the lunch for up to 100 folks on that Saturday, mostly surfers and all the organizers and event people. And so right now I've started the process of smoking up about 75 to 80 pounds of pork butt, maybe a few pork shoulders, and we're doing that right now. Let me show you what we've got going on. So guys, I don't have a real giant smoker now. I got the Yoder over there, but I wanted to do it a little bit more efficiently. So I got one of my pork butts right here on the Weber, okay, and I got two more on my Traeger. Let me show you how I got that going here. Okay, so what I did here is I got the snake method going here, guys, and I'm using a little bit of applewood here. So every so often, I use basically just a mustard smear, good old coarse ground salt, pepper, granulated garlic, and that's about it, guys. I am spritzing as needed with a little bit of apple cider vinegar cut down with water. Okay, guys. And then on the Traeger, my trusty Traeger, I've got two more pork butts. Okay, done the same way. All right. Now I'm using one of these Grillaholics grill mats here. Kind of helps out a little bit because the Traeger is kind of a bottom feeder as far as the heat. It really is hot on the bottom. Okay, I'm just using some standard pellets. Actually, these are more Hickory based, Pit Boss brand. I really like Hickory. It's really flavorful. Now I'm running about 250 on both. Okay, now definitely the charcoal with a little bit of wood mixed in is going to definitely have a different flavor profile, but that's okay. The Traeger with the Hickory pellets, definitely different, so that's okay. We may blend this out and give it a shot here. So that's basically what I got going on today. So we're a week out from that surf competition. Again, Operation Amped, leave a link down below. And I've got, probably that's about a total raw pork, close to 25 pounds, rounding up, maybe closer to 28. I'm going to try to serve full-size brisket, pulled pork sandwiches. A friend from work, Johnny, is going to be supplying the buns. We're going to be camping side by side there at Camp Pendleton, and then the organization is going to be taking care of sides. I think they're going to have some coleslaw and a few hearty sides. So full-size pulled pork sandwiches is basically our plan. It's going to be a great time, guys. In fact, we're going to try to go live during our lunch there and show you kind of a lay of the campground here a little bit, or at least the camp for that surf competition. So expect maybe the 24th Saturday, you know, somewhere around 11 or 12 West Coast time, we'll go live and show you guys what's happening. But that's what we're doing right now. Sassy's in there working. She works from home. This is my Friday off. And besides doing this, you know, it's a warm day. We just went through this heat wave out here on the West Coast. And this is what I got planned. I'm going to be hitting that pool here in a little while. That is for darn sure. So anyway, guys, hey, I just wanted to show you what's going on here at the Greenhorn Homestead. It's a lot of fun cooking for a group. I'm not a caterer, but we do little things like this, especially for such a worthy organization like Operation Amped. You know, so that's basically what we're doing here, guys. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. We will give you an update as time goes on and tell you all about how this cook turns out in the next video. So anyway, guys, thanks a lot for watching. See you later.